Hello, knife people. This is my most used utilitarian knife. Back Vanguard. No, Vantage. Yeah, back Vantage knife. As you see, it has a factory edge. And I very often use this knife for opening the package, cutting the plastic tape and open the package by hand. But I understand that cutting the cardboard itself is a pretty tough job for the edge. It dulls the edge much, I understand. Okay. Like this sharpness. Okay. I don't think people will love losing this factory-made edge beauty. If stone sharpened, it can ruin its initial beauty. So I think stone sharpening can be useless if you had this thing, NK green compound and Bug River white compound on the DLT two-sided strap leather paddle. First, I'll try only the white compound. It will take 4 or 5. This stropping did not ruin its beauty at all. Look at this sharpness. Only the white seems enough. And Enkai green. Let's try. Furthermore, okay. extremely sharp. And more on the Bark River white compound. Okay, finished. I'll give you the microscopic image soon. Anyhow, before that, cut paper. It cuts paper like a new convex edge. Perfect edge condition. In conclusion, I'd like to say that if you are a knife lover and EDC your knife for this kind of job, paper cutting or such, you don't need any other sharpening system, fixed alignment, sharp maker or such. But this thing, DLT, leather strap, and Bark River white compound. And if you need more sharpness like a laser, it will help you. I know black compound will not help you. This makes the edge bevel convex and edge angle duller. These two compounds and this two-sided strap is yours. Is for knife EDC people. Okay. Finally, I'll give you the microscopic image. See you. Bye. The edge line is polished to make a very smooth line. Scratches disappearing. It's a razor edge. Very good. I like this edge very much.